In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create global variables in N8n for beginners. This is a straightforward process, perfect for those just stepping into the world of workflow automation. Let's dive right in and explore each step with clarity and simplicity, ensuring that everyone can follow along seamlessly. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the AI Workflow Automation Platform and Tools page for N8n. This platform is a fantastic resource for anyone looking to build automated workflows without the need for extensive programming knowledge. It empowers you to orchestrate complex processes using a visual interface, perfect for streamlining your tasks efficiently. Once you're on the N8n homepage, it's time to sign in. If you already have an account, simply click on Sign In. If not, you may need to create one. This step is crucial as it grants you access to your personalized dashboard where all the magic happens. The user interface is intuitive and designed to enhance your productivity, offering a dynamic environment to manage your workflows. Once logged in, direct your attention to the N8n dashboard. The dashboard serves as a central hub for all your activities, enabling you to oversee and organize your workflows neatly. Take a few moments to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new. This orientation will pay off later as you grow more comfortable with the tools at your disposal. Now, let's venture into the Variables section. This is where you'll define global variables which can be used across different workflows. These variables act as reusable pieces of data, reducing repetition and ensuring consistency. To access this area, find and select Variables on the menu. After entering the Variables section, you'll now want to interact with the feature by clicking on Variables. This action brings you to a list of existing global variables. Here, you can see predefined variables or begin creating new ones tailored to your needs. For newcomers, the option to add first variable should be visible. Click on this to begin defining your first global variable. It's a simple, user-friendly process where you will input the name and value for your variable. When naming your variable, choose a descriptive name to ensure clarity for future referencing. Remember, these variables are designed to be accessed across various workflows, so consider their potential applications as you set them up. By the end of this session, you will have successfully navigated from accessing N8n, logging in, finding the Variables section, and ultimately, setting up your first global variable. This foundation is invaluable as you build more complex workflows in N8n. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and I look forward to seeing how you harness the full potential of global variables in your automation journey.